welcome to today's video on high altitude investing. Today is a Bitcoin and altcoin price overview, plus just general discussion about Bitcoin's price and altcoin price. So let's look into this, and I'm going to start by talking about how I knew this was going to happen. I was thinking that Ethereum and Bitcoin were going to start running together because of they both have really high potential, great technologies, large market caps, large investment. They're just good investments. Bitcoin and Ethereum are two really good investments. Same with DAO, same with Litecoin, same with, Ripple. I found that my bottom formation and bought in on Ripple and made some nice profits. Dash, I've been shorting Dash, as you can see right here, and making nice profits as Bitcoin rises. And I'm using all Bitcoin in my margin trading account. So as Bitcoin moons today, coming clear up to 720 right here. Well, almost 720, 719. Which is its first support level over here. Back in last year of let's see, when was it? December. Yeah, the last time it hit the support level was May 30th of 2014. So, that's a pretty important support level. Actually, that's the wrong support level. That's the 50% support level. The last time it hit 720, which was its high, was March 1st of 2014. So that's something to keep your eye on. This is you can probably expect Bitcoin to come down and maybe test a 50% level real quick. So somewhere around 670s, I would have buy orders set, because this is its first major support level on its way up. But we don't have that much time before the halving. Yeah, the halving is happening in 26 days, 19 hours, 59 minutes, and 56 seconds. So that's something to, pay attention to. Like I said, set your buy orders around 670-ish, maybe a little above, because Bitcoin is going to come down and test these support levels. It's its first major support level. This was its first support level on its way up, and this was its second support level on its way up. This was its 23% support level on its way up. So that's a pretty important support level. Yeah, there's just some things to keep an eye on, specifically with Bitcoin. I mean, the fact that it hit 720 almost today is just insane. I'm so happy about it. For real. I'm making some good money right now, and I really hope you other traders are too. Hope that you can keep your profits rolling in. This is my Bitfinex right now. I just have a long position on Bitcoin. My base price is 613, and I'm profiting $60 off a 0.6 Bitcoin position, which isn't a lot of money. I'm not playing with a lot of money in this Bitfinex account right now. I'm profiting off my Ethereum long position, because I knew it was going to rise along with Bitcoin soon, like I said. I'm profiting off my Litecoin position, and in my altcoins I'm profiting off shorting Dash, Made, and XMR, a total of about 0.0146 Bitcoin in profit. And that's just in the last 24 hours of my trading. So there's a lot of exciting things going on right now in trading. A lot of stuff to keep your eye on. I would be shorting altcoins and longing Bitcoin when it hits support levels. As you can see, a good support level would be 480. Let's see. Let me check up on this real quick. I'm gonna throw this to 1 hour candlesticks. Okay, a good support level to buy at is gonna be 685. I would have buy orders for 685. I think Bitcoin will probably hit that. So I'm gonna go ahead and close my my limit order on Bitcoin right here at these prices, and then add a new limit price of 0.1 Bitcoin, and set my, see what I say, 685. 685. So when Bitcoin hits 685, I will buy 0.1 Bitcoin. Let's see. Now 0.04 Bitcoin I'm going to set as a stop at 720, which is just above, so that I will buy in 0.04 Bitcoin if it breaks above 720 and continues on its uptrend. So yeah, I usually like to adjust my get my active orders all set up and straight so that I can, you know, profit on that. See, now we got that set up straight. I have a stop limit. If Ethereum hits 1345, I'm gonna start shorting it. I might close my long on Ethereum right now here in a little bit to see kind of what happens. It could just crash. As you can see, we're on the Litecoin to USD market right now. Litecoin to USD is coming down, so you know, that's alright though. That's good. I'm gonna buy some right now. I'm gonna buy 3 Litecoin. Boom. Bought 3 Litecoin at, well, I guess I didn't get too good of a price because I just market bought. I'm gonna limit buy at 528. Well, let's see. I'm gonna limit buy it to 524. And same. So now I have another active order on Bitfinex. I've been using Bitfinex a lot. It's been giving me pretty good trading profits. So I really like the interface. The margin funding's really nice. It's got good interest rates. Anyways, so yeah, basically the general concept of this video is that I think some altcoins are going to continue on their downtrends, so I'm going to hold my short positions on those altcoins and continue to grow my Bitcoin as Bitcoin grows and prepares for the halving, so that I can just have a win-win situation here, so that I'm profiting off of these altcoins losing value and losing strength against Bitcoin. And I'm not talking about Ethereum or Dogecoin because I think they might run along with Bitcoin. So I would just, you know, keep your positions. I wouldn't add a short position on today because Bitcoin just hit its first support level. So I'd wait till Bitcoin comes back above 720, and then I would start adding short positions on these altcoins, because that's when it's really going to start going. It's probably going to break below these bottom formations on a lot of these altcoins. So we'll see what happens though. General interest in Bitcoin has just been skyrocketing. The media is going to talk about it a whole bunch just because of how good of an investment it is. Like, it really is a good investment. It's an amazing investment. Let's refresh CoinMarketCap here. We have an $11 billion market cap on Bitcoin with a price of $708 a coin. It's up almost 10% today. We have a $1.4 billion market cap on Ethereum with a price of $17.41, and that's $40 million in 24-hour volume. Bitcoin is $254 million in 24-hour volume. And we have a 17% increase in Ethereum, a 1% increase in Litecoin, a 0.6 increase in Ripple, a 17% increase in DAO, 2% increase in Dash, 10% increase in Lisk, 8% increase in Dogecoin. DigiDAO, 26% increase. MadeSafe, down 1.19%. Steam, 0.49%. New Economy Movement is up 7% today. Monero is up 10% today. Fedora coin is almost balancing out at 0, but just below at negative 0.4%. That was a little whiling. BitShares is up 2%. Sia coin is up 13%. Factom is up 6%. NXT is up 3%. Scenario is down 14%. Bytecoin is up 6%. So there's just some general increase in total trading volume. The total cryptocurrency market cap hit 13 billion. The total 24-hour volume is 314 million US dollars. Bitcoin dominance is 81.6%. And if you look at Bitcoin, it's really interesting to see where most of the money is coming from. It's pretty much coming straight from Poloniex into Ethereum. So that's why I knew that Bitcoin and Ethereum would rise together, because they're traded against each other enough that the general interest in cryptocurrency, like I kind of feel like just the general interest in cryptocurrencies that will be sparked by the halving of Bitcoin, and just like all the people that are going to get into it and start actually using it as a currency. Because I feel like this and the next year are going to be like when Bitcoin really becomes a thing and cryptocurrency really becomes like pretty normal for most people to use. So like I feel like the media is going to spark general interest in both Bitcoin and Ethereum because they're both really good technologies. And so I knew that they were going to rise together. And look at all this volume. 6% of the volume is coming from Ethereum coming from Poloniex Ethereum versus Bitcoin. 6% of the total Bitcoin volume, which, by the way, in the 24 hours is 254 million if you haven't forgotten. So that's a lot of money. 6% of 254 million is almost $16 million just through Ethereum on Bitcoin on one market through Poloniex. But, there's also Bitfinex here, which is just the number one at almost 100 million US dollars. So that's pretty interesting. I've got my orders going off right now as we speak. You can see Litecoin just came clear down. So yeah, so now I'm got a base price of 512 and Litecoin just hit 552. So yep, got my orders going off. Bitcoin's halving. Stay trading, make profits. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe. I appreciate your time. I hope you learned something and this was useful. Tomorrow, or at least later on this week, I plan on making a full altcoin and Bitcoin overview where I discuss a little bit more in depth and get a little technical about the specific prices and values. So keep an eye out for that. Like I said, subscribe so that you can see that. And have a good day. That's it.